Robert Heffernan with Endotech, exclusively for the Pareto Network and Endotech subscribers. This is Blockchain Vitals. I had to do a little rearranging of the neck. I am a master endotechnician, now firmly in the matrix. And this is our daily show, Blockchain Vitals. We talk cryptocurrencies, blockchain assets, what's going on in the world of cryptography. I'll be honest right off the bat here. Technically speaking, on the science of cryptography, I know very little. But that's not what this show is about, because as a technician, once the chicken scratches start being pecked away, i.e. when things are listed on exchanges and price discovery happens, I actually know something about that. I've been trading commodities 30 plus years, still active in the fiat world and active in the crypto world, applying the same technical analysis that I would if this was soybeans, S&Ps, pork bellies. Well, they don't even trade pork bellies anymore, but you get the drift. Or any crypto asset that has price discovery attached to it, therefore able to do the homework necessary to be informed on whether I should be long or short and where my risk and reward areas, logical areas, all right, like Spock would say, let's be logical about this. Anyway, let's do the rounds, because we do it every day. And the rounds is a little section we do where I get to talk about what's going on in cryptography. And the one thing that a couple of headlines, consensus. Now they do blockchain conferences and things like that, but it's also a company that deploys technology around the Ethereum blockchain, and they are now beginning to use Ethereum to keep track of and supply energy, electricity in Texas, now to 4 companies. And again, the science behind this whole deal. Oh, look at that. I'm going to get to the bot here in a second. But the science behind it is, it's far and wide, the science. And it's way over my head, and it's way above my pay grade. But again, what you need to take from this, right, is the use case and the continuing development of use cases that make these things, what is it going to look like 2 years down the road, 5 years down the road, when incredible leaps in efficiencies have been garnered, when incredible leaps in transparency and, savings unfold. It can only mean one thing. The value of these things has to go up as those things happen. The other headline that I saw today was Vitalik Buterin, I believe that's how you pronounce it, Buterin, I don't know. He wrote the Ethereum blockchain. And when you see a headline like this, you must pay attention. And he said that he can see Ethereum can scale to 500 times a second using Zcash technology. Now, Zcash is tradable, all right? It's a tradable cryptocurrency. And when somebody of that, his place in the market mentions the name of something, for me, that's enough on a fundamental side that I better start being particularly aware of the technical side then, because when he's not giving that opinion based on the fact that, from my standpoint anyway, he wouldn't say that if he didn't think that it had some legs to it. So I've held Zcash before. I've made money in Zcash. I don't have any Zcash right now, but I'm going to start looking at the chart, and we're going to talk about that in the Vitals section of the program. All right, before I say goodbye to the YouTube crowd, because to get that actionable trading content on a daily basis, you need to be an Endotech subscriber or own Pareto tokens, where you can watch the entire stream on endotech.io. All right, and the other thing that I will keep hammering away is the ET bot, available to trade cryptos at Kraken right now. And, if you are too busy to sit at the con and trade, and you want the bot to take care of it for you, we are ready to start deploying our technology for you. All right? So please visit endotech.io. Go to the support, email support@endotech.io. Whatever way you need to do to get there, they will answer the questions, and the bot can be trading for you. And that makes it real easy to diversify into portfolio allocation and start participating in this market. All right, let's take the vitals, and we need to say goodbye